Today we are getting the badge. Well,
Welcome back
we're gonna
to
just like
another video. Today we're getting
I'm just here for the
badge.
entertainment.
A badge. Okay, launch it. I'm ready to launch.
Wait, let me build my dumb boat first. In the last video, we got all the RV battle swords, which was pretty awesome. And if you watched that, you heard us say we didn't even get the build-a-boat badge yet. Yeah, you heard us say that, and
here we are. Okay, let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Wait, let me do this first.
Whoa. I can't
Let me build my dumb boat. Oh, where's the...
How long does it take you to build a dumb boat?
I'm making a good dumb boat. That's why. That sounds weird.
How are you making a good
I
dumb
can't
boat?
launch. Dude, did they move the launch or something?
No, I know what. It's a timer. It's the timer.
Oh, you have to wait till it's done?
Yeah. So, I'm just gonna build a bunch of stuff.
Guys, the shop changes at 11.
What shop? Oh, Arsenal?
Oh, well. I don't know what these buttons do, but... Oh, a few seconds left.
Look at my crazy boat. It's so good.
Oh, I have this? I have a light, dude. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I have doors. I totally forgot I had doors.
Oof. Oh, wait, I forgot I have one more seat. I'm not done. No.
Okay,
no. I see your boat. Okay.
Oh, Z joined.
Oh.
Again.
You will host.
Done. This.
Done.
That's dang. Your boat is crazy.
I know.
Six, 5, 4.
Should I jump out?
I can't steer at all.
I can.
I can't steer. Was I supposed to put that table? My boat is broken.
Okay, can you like jump out? So I win.
Oh yeah, so you win. Good idea.
Oh, someone shot at me.
Wait, there's more people? Wait, that
Yeah,
means
there's
you
people
want...
playing. Zeron! Oh yeah, Z. He has that boat. I forgot.
Yeah, he is the plane on a... Oh, okay. Wait, do you have to wait till the timer's done?
Yeah. Wait, did you die?
Yeah, I died. So, I think you have to wait till the timer's done or something.
Oh, it's. Oh, that's what. It's so many people.
It's only us in the challenge. Wait, what if I leave it? Maybe it'll let you in?
I'm gonna try and destroy my boat.
Wait, did you win?
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah,
You got the badge?
it worked. Yeah, I got the badge. He's gonna ruin his boat.
Oh, and now, I'll do it again. Host.
Yeah.
Invite.
How do I leave this
server.
challenge, dude?
Okay, join.
Yeah, I joined.
Oh, wait, what
Make
team
the
are you?
building time 30 seconds. Make the building time 30 seconds.
How about 1 minute?
Dude, I can't jump out of my boat.
Wait, I'll make sailing time like 2 minutes. And I'll start there.
Dude, I'm stuck in my boat.
Fig, I called you Fig.
Let me leave the game and come back. Oh. Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let me join you again.
Wait.
Join you again. Wait, let Z join too. Fig can join.
Yeah, I'm calling you Fig now, so.
I always wondered what XD meant, but I just realized it's a face.
Yeah, it's true. Of this tiny boat, though. Wait,
Hey, you guys are competing?
Yep.
Is it you and...
No, it's, wish us good luck, Fig. Yeah, wish us good luck, Fig.
I want to watch. How can I watch?
You can't.
I want to see it.
Just see me floating away on this boat.
How do I watch this?
No! You can't, I don't think. My boat is
I
just
just need a few
floating.
more coins. I just need a few more coins, dude.
I just need a few
Oh.
more coins and I could get an epic one again. Am I at the right waterfall? Oh, I am at the right waterfall.
I want to view it.
I'm being exploded by pumpkins.
How can I look? How can I view it?
You can't. You have to be in the competition.
I can't spectate? Oh. Oh, that sucks. Anyways, I'm just gonna build a boat.
Oh, I'm stuck spectating. Let me like reset.
Lola chicken from Papa. Love that chicken. Oh yeah.
Wait,
Oh baby. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh yeah. Oh baby.
I just need,
Oh, right.
how many more gold? Let's see. Wait, what? Who pinged me? Oh, Jerome joined, I think. Oh,
Wait.
so I'm gonna start a new one.
Oh,
Yes.
Z started one.
Oh, yeah, Z started one. Join. Join.
Z.
Yeah, join. And click join. Ah,
After.
are you in?
2? Yeah.
Click join right there.
Where?
Under, waiting for Zeron to start challenge.
Are you guys still going at Piggy?
Sorry.
No, we already beat that. Wait, are you in?
So now what are you guys doing?
No. We're doing build a boat.
Oh, wait, are you in now?
Well, I'm gonna go to Arsenal.
Uh-huh.
Oh, start. Okay.
Oh, you can save your work?
Oh, now I'm gonna get the
That's
badge.
how we always have a stinking cool boat.
Wait, how do you save your work? How do you... I mean, I know you can, but how do you? Dun, dun.
Oh, wait, we can build now. Oops. Oops. Oopsie,
You
oopsie.
forgot.
The heck? I said an oopsie, 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 oopsie too. A doody doo, buddy, badoo, be doo be. My name is Scooby Dooby Wooby, ooh ooh ooby. I like to do what my heart desires. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know. Thing like a spaceship, and it's gonna be facing upwards. Oh.
Oh, well, I'm running out of time. Only 30 seconds, so let me put a chair. Motor on the back.
Wait, only 30 seconds.
Yep.
Oof. Hold up. Let me
And
put
a
a motor.
table just in case. That's what I was missing.
Here. No, no, no. Where's the table?
No, no. Okay, I'm in.
Okay, I got it.
I hit him. Confusion.
No, I didn't put the door on. Wait, is that Aziz?
Oh, there it is.
There's mine.
Wait. What?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay, I could steer now.
So can I. Oh. Oh, wait, do you need a win now? Or does
Yeah,
he?
I need a win. Z already got the. thing.
Just tell Z to jump out.
Oh. Wait, let me just. Do this. I'm gonna see how far I could get first, and if. Ah! No! Dude, my boat! You can't move your boat.
Well,
Ah!
I can, but my boat's upside down.
No, I'm gonna die. I'm so gonna die.
Jeez! Z is heating. Imagine Z is a 6-year-old. Look at Z on the thing!
Just imagine.
Z left. Left Earth.
Wow.
Uh-oh. I died.
Okay, I'm at bowling now.
A boat. You actually have a good boat.
Ah, my thing is
What is
breaking.
destroying your boat? What happened to Z? Oh wait, you're the only person alive, dude.
Oh, so I could just die? Well, I want to make it as far as I can get, so I can get more coins and stuff. Oh no, okay, well, I'm dead because I crashed and I fell.
What? Z won!
Wait, did I get the badge?
No, cause Z won.
What? Z1? No way. No way.
He went to space.
Oh,
Wait, I'm gonna host one. Invite friends. Yup.
you,
Wait! Terrell is online. Invite server. Just invited the whole server. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
just start it.
It's a pleasure, boy.
Ooh. Just gonna build a dumb boat, like, you know.
Yep. Like a Dumbo.
I did the dumb boat thing hack to get to the
Dude,
waterfall.
everyone's a sweat.
Jerome will join you after, okay? Oh.
This is how they ruin games. This is how they ruin games.
My engine is not even here
Yeah,
anymore.
50 seconds.
Able.
The reason that Fortnite got ruined. People started getting sweaty. Now the game isn't that good.
Actually might be able to fly.
Oh, I have 20 seconds. Gotta go. Where's the table? Where's the steering wheel?
Look at my boat. Whose boat is that? Wait, Z's is back there. Ah. Okay, Elijah. Okay.
That's all I can do in 2 minutes.
My engine is under the ground. I want to see how this will turn out.
Yeah.
E. I'm racing Z right now.
Wait, who's is
Me
in the
and
water?
Z are racing.
Oh,
Huh?
you guys are neck to neck. How come there's no rocks?
There is. Oh. Oh no, there's rocks.
Yep,
Oh,
now
no.
there's-
Oh.
Snuck into on a horse. I kicked him down. Oh, no.
I can't see it.
Oh, well, there's no rocks or nothing.
Ah, wait. Z died.
Bowling balls are destroying me. Ow, where's my hair?
I gotta go, dude.
Okay.
Oh,
I gotta go, dude.
oh. Oh, I got the badge and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, I guess.
We'll see you on the next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, no, not my boat.